Hello, I'm Katie. My favorite hobby is Chinese calligraphy. It is an Asian art for thousands of years. This is 甲骨文. This is 经文. This is 隶书. This is 行书. This is 草书. And this is 楷书. Now let's talk about the things or tools we're gonna to use to write. We call it 文房四宝, literally means 4 treasures in study. This is the brush. We call it 笔. It is a special soft band made by sheep hair. We hold this traditional Chinese pen in this way. This is the ink. We call it mo, but it isn't liquid in ancient time. It is like a rock. We call it ink stick. We pour some water in the storm. It is called 砚台, and we rub the stick. It becomes liquid ink. This is a paper. We call it 宣纸. It is soft but strong. It can absorb the liquid or the ink very quickly. This is my work. Calligraphy has a glittering history. It is an important art treasure in China. I love calligraphy. What about you?